Pa 5 seconds ako abante. Is it worth the risk na ma-aksidente ka?
Maulang araw, motoristas! As we have posted on our Facebook page, MoTour will participate in the ride destination number 1, an event of our friend and a Lodi, Miss Des Buncho. If you haven't seen my interview with her, click the link above. The event basically is a group ride from Total Greenhills to Total Tagaytay, powered of course by Total. She asked for her fans to sign up if they wish to join the ride and guess free gas and breakfast. There were also lots of raffle prizes from different sponsors. Since MoTour does a lot of group rides, she requested if we can provide some marshals to assist throughout the ride. We will also do the safety briefing before taking off. Here's the route that we are taking and it's about 69 kilometers. A few days before, naging malakas ang pag-ulan kaya't maraming bahang lugar. So we came prepared with all the rain gears and expected another wet and wild kind of ride. Because I need to be at Total Greenhills at 4:30 AM, I left at 2 AM in Los Baños. Yup, walang tulugan, kaya't mga 4 layers ang eye bags ko. I met Mr. and Mrs. Fields at 7-Eleven. So far no rain and hopefully it stays that way. Or maybe not. Pagdating namin sa service road, lalong lumakas ang ulan. We arrived a little past 4 AM. Akala namin kami na ang nauna. Meron pa palang mas maaga. Good morning! Dito na kami. We were the first dito sa Total Greenhills. Mr. Field, Mrs. Field, Scoopy, and Mrs. Scoopy 120. Galing na Mandaluyong yung mga yan. Kami naman from Los Baños. So today we're going to have, actually sabit lang kami ngayon sa event ni Miss Des Buncho. We have to have a pre-ride briefing. Pag-usapan namin. Kaya nandito na kami. Kaya lang, kung makikita nyo, sobrang sama ng panahon, di ba? Maganda yan, tingnan mo, ideal yan sa rides. Ito, alam niyo yung advantage nito. Imagine nyo, ilan tayo, di ba? Ilan ang mga raffle items, mga prizes. Wow! Eh, kung kami, di mga tikminima kami, di ba? Anyway, we're so excited. Hindi lang maganda yung panahon, pero dito masusukat kung tunay na rider ka, di ba? Kung hanggang saan ka pa talaga. I don't know, magko-coffee lang siguro muna kami or any energy drink, I don't know. Basta mapagising kasi wala pang tulog, kami yung tatlo. Nandito rin pala actually sila yung mga early birds. Exit Rider Manila and Lady Raider Rider. We got here first, so we'll just have coffee and anything that would wake us up. We need that.
Coffee is here.
Yeah, the sausage is here. Yeah, so they're here.
Hi, sa Lady Riders Manila. Wala kayo dito. Oh, ROT.
Ha?
Ang ganda ni Ma'am.
Okay. Nasaan ba si Mrs.? You need to register first to get a loot bag from Total together with the gas vouchers. The guests started arriving around 5 AM. Okay, we got your bags and of course the vest. Total. Sinusuot na namin siya ngayon. And we're going to claim the gas, the free gas. Misfit Rider on his Raider! Nice! Bagay! Claiming our free gas. Here is the event. Dito ang registration area. Dito syempre parking. Hanggang doon, mamaya mapupuno pa yan. There were also free coffee and energy drinks. At 5:30 AM, we started the route orientation and safety briefing. Nakakaputi or nakakaitim? Ito ang ating mga paramedics. Yun ang sasalba ng buhay natin. Thank you. So ito kasama din natin to na tail. Sa problema, may magbubuhat ng motor. The riders were spread out into 4 groups, each having its own lead, tail, and marshal.
Ano yung red? Yung group A lang.
Ano sa
Group A po. Brown. Group A.
With an interval of 5 minutes, the group started taking off. There were some detours because of flooded areas. The formation remained intact in most part of the route. And while taking shots of the ride, I noticed something fell from my bike. Yep, it's my phone used for GPS navigation. Let's see what happened. Dahil matagtag ang kalsada at maulan, dumulas ang buong plastic sa mount. Titigil sana ako to get it. But seeing the line of bikes and cars behind me and considering mataas ang tubig, what's the point? Halos imposible ko nang makita yon kahit mag-snorkel pa ako. Besides, malamang nasagasaan na rin yon or sira na din dahil sa tubig. Madali ako naka-let go dahil parang pagod na din siya at tama lang na mamaya pa na. We were really grateful that the riders were very cooperative. Sabi nga ni Des, walang pasaway. And we finally made it to Total Tagaytay. Yeah, we're here! Napalabang kami sa baha. Pagpasensyahan nyo ng aking eye bags kasi wala pa tayong tulog. Good thing! Wala nagka-problema, wala naging aberya. Tuloy-tuloy lang kami. And very cooperative yung mga naging kasama natin. Leads, mga tails, and mga sweepers. Magagaling, mga marshals. Good job. So dito na tayo sa Tagaytay and alam nyo naman, very chilly dito. Tapos sa dagdagan mo, maulan pa. So you can just imagine kung gaano kalamig ngayon. Good job, good job. Ano natin, marshals.
Naglagang ano mo, cellphone mo.
Okay lang yun. Hindi naman yun yung phone na ginagamit ko main eh.
Matabi tayo matulog.
Alright, again, siguro sawa na sa boss ko, kanina pa ako nag-ingay. Anyway, again, good morning and I'm JT of MoTour. Gusto ko lang sabihin na I'm really thankful dun sa mga nag-volunteer kanina, dun sa mga nag-volunteer na lead tsaka yung tail. Sobrang successful ng ating ride. Wala naging problema. Wala pa naging problema, di ba? Yeah! Palagpakan po natin yung sarili natin. Kasi hindi naman po siya nag-ibang. Medyo nasanay po tayo sa mga long rides. Based sa experience namin, sobrang cooperative yung mga riders natin. Every time na matetempt kayo na yung emotions yung mag-take over, kapag may nag-cut sa inyo or inunahan kayo, naka 1,000cc kayo, naka liter bike. Tapos inunahan kayo ng 115cc, di ba? Parang loko to ah. Lagi nyo iisipin, ano bang mahihita ko if patulan ko to? 5 seconds ako abante. Is it worth the risk na maaksidente ka? Ganun lang po lagi isipin nyo. Kung pinatulan ko ba to, anong premyo ko? Ano naman kapalit kung maaksidente ako? So yun lang po, and para lagi nyo isipin nyo na mas malaki yung risk kung papatulan natin yun. So again, congratulations po sa lahat. Thank you pala kay Miss Des for letting me be part of this. And again, check out MoTour. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sir JT. Sandro Fajardo of Oz Racing.
Sino po sila? Breakfast muna kami. Oh, lasak ako dun ha. Nagising ako dun ha. Bogart, medyo nahihiya pa eh, pero magpapakitang gilas na rin niya maya-maya.
Kamusta naman po yung drive? Mahirap po ba?
Hindi. Sisiw. Dapat mas malalim pa yung baha.
Ay! Taray! Thank you, sir!
Thank you! Siyempre, hindi ko kaya hawakan lahat, di ba? Hindi, okay lang. Thank you! Raffle time! Dahil maunti kami, mataas ang chances na makakuha ng prize ang bawat isa. Sunod-sunod ang mga nakakuha sa table namin. Malapit na ang grand prize at di pa din ako natatawag. Dalawa lang yan. Either maganda ang makukuha ko or wala akong makukuha at all. When the winner of the grand prize, an HJC helmet, was called, it was not me. But apparently, the winner was not around to claim, and so they picked another number. And guess who it was? Yup, yours truly. Cellphone!
And of course,
Napalitan ni cellphone! Sorry.
okay.
Yes! I'm so happy! Congrats!
People on this.
I would like to thank my parents! Kapalit ng cellphone! Salamat po!
Thank you guys. Sabay namin sa Pinas kanina. Ano po yung guys?
Size mo ba yan?
Hindi magkakasya yung mga
One song po lang yung
Yes! Yes!
Woo!
Kanina nag-aalala siya na hindi daw siya mananalo pero napasa kanya ang grand prize.
Everyone to wear their best for our photo op.
Luto.
Panalo.
Alam ko bigo na ako.
Sir JT, ano masasabi mo?
Speechless eh.
Ha?
Sobrang happy.
So magkano ang cellphone versus dyan sa helmet na yan?
Ito na yan, sulit. Kapalit.
Meron pa.
The event was a success. We won't be joining the others because we are heading south. The rain kept pouring and little did we know that the adventure is not yet over. When we got to this road going to Talisay, we were faced with thick fog with zero visibility. Tuloy lang, basta't dahan-dahan. Another challenging thing is, matarik ang kalsada pababa at puro blind curves. You can't get any blinder than this. After surviving the fog, here comes the landslides and some rushing flood water. We had to be careful because of the stones and debris on the road that we can't see because of the water. I was preparing myself in case I slide, but thank God we survived. It was one heck of a ride, and I liked it. It was a nice event and meeting new people is always good. Hopefully, we'll eventually have some raffle sponsors as well for the motoristas naman. It may be a rainy and cold kind of weather, but it was compensated by the warmth of the people around. Next week will be our ride to Catanduanes, so stay tuned and subscribe to MoTour. Join the community by visiting our Facebook page and Instagram. Thank you for watching.